Alright, in this question you have to construct a rhombus ABCD. So first we draw a sketch of the rhombus here. ABCD. The length of AB is 6 centimeter. Angle ABC is 115 degree, and we have to measure and write down the length of the diagonal, the length of each of the two diagonals, right? AC and BD. These two diagonals we are supposed to measure. Starting with the baseline, first we draw the baseline of 6 centimeter. सबसे पहले हम 6 सेंटीमीटर की बेसलाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. This is what we have drawn. The baseline AB 6 centimeter. Next we are going to set the opening of the compass to 6 centimeter. Rhombus की all four sides हमेशा equal होती हैं, तो अगर एक साइड 6 सेंटीमीटर है तो बाकी सारी साइड्स भी 6 सेंटीमीटर होंगी. Now we are going to put the needle of the compass on point A. Point A पे हमने compass की needle को रखा. And then we make an arc like this. Same यही opening के साथ हमने इसको point B पे रखा. We made an arc again, right? But it's better to draw the angle first. पहले हम angle बनाते हैं, उसके बाद हम arc बनाते हैं. So always we draw the angle first. Angle बनाने के लिए हम देखेंगे कि 115 D को हम place करेंगे on point B, and then 115 degree angle. Where is 115 degree angle? It is over here. Look. And this is 115. Because we always start from 0. So 0 यहाँ पर आ रहा है. Right, this is 0, so 10, 20, 30, 40 like this. So this is 110. Now with the help of the ruler, we are going to extend this line. Point B और इस mark को हम extend कर देंगे. Like this. And then compass की opening जो हमने 6 centimeter set की है, इसकी needle को हम रखेंगे point B पर. एक arc यहाँ लगेगा और दूसरा arc हम point A पर रखकर यहाँ plot करेंगे. And then we are going to put the needle of the compass in the center over here. यहाँ हम compass की needle रखेंगे. And we will make an arc over here. Now simply we are going to join ये हमने सेंटर पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन कर दिया. and then again ये जो दो center points हैं, this should be parallel with line AB because it is a rhombus. It should be parallel like this. So we have constructed the rhombus now. ये जो extra measurements हैं इसको हम थोड़ा सा erase करेंगे, complete erase नहीं करेंगे. Now we know that this angle over here, this is 115, and now we need to take the measurement. This is point C, this is point D. Now we have to measure the two diagonals as mentioned in the question. So if we measure the diagonal AC, this is almost 10.1. This diagonal AC, is 10.1 centimeter. And now we take the other measurement. The diagonal BD. So the diagonal BD is around 6.5 centimeter. BD is 6.5 centimeter.